Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2015 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's got 204,000 miles on it. It is a 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, two-wheel drive. Has an 11-foot IMT body with a 7,500-pound IMT crane, 30-foot hydraulic outriggers. It has a van air and arc air compressor welder, several sets of C-Tech drawers in it. It's a one-owner truck. It's in really nice shape. Let's walk around and take a look at it. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, vinyl seats and floor. It's got a power inverter under the seat here. down. That one goes out more. Showing you the basic stuff on it. Winch down, extension out, down, extension out, extension in, winch up. Obviously it does a lot more than what I'm showing. I'm showing you the basic functions on it. Pull this down, fix that. Down. This is hard to do with one person, so 1 second. One person while holding a phone, so. All right, let's go back up. Just take it back around, set her down.
Well, you recall that same day.
Alright. So, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call or text 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.75 a mile to have this truck shipped to you. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is put it on our dispatch board, and we'll wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to New York or California or anywhere in between. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer, and sometimes we get them picked up immediately. It really depends on where you're located at, what's heading there, and all that good stuff. So, but I've been doing this a long time. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days, but I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pull up here. The exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway, it's just unrealistic. But there are some people out there that think you're supposed to be able to give them that information, and if you are one of them people, the best thing to do is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. You can't show up with a regular business check and won't be able to sell you the truck. It has to be certified funds, which is a cashier's check or a wire transfer, or cash, which we don't deal in cash much. Also, we don't hold trucks. If you want to buy this truck, you got to call me and say, hey, I'm going to go to the bank and wire you the money, or I'll be there first thing in the morning, or I'm on my way right now. You know, I don't mind holding it for you to get here, you know, within a day, but I'm not going to hold it for 4 or 5 days. These things sell very quick. I had it happen all the time, but I mean, just last week I posted a truck and had a guy call and said he was going to send somebody. I think it was about 7 or 8 days, maybe 7 days. And I said, okay. And then as soon as me and him hung up, somebody called and bought it and wired the money. And, you know, he missed out on it. And that's what happens a lot. I have that happen a lot. So, you know, that's our business model isn't for everyone. And that's perfectly fine. There's other truck dealers out there, and but that's how we do business. So we're not going to hold anything, you know, short of, you know, saying, hey, I'm on my way to wire you the money. I'm not going to sell it out from underneath you in a time of a couple of hours like that, but we're not going to hold them for a week either. So, especially a truck like this thing's going to sell quick. It's a beautiful truck, number one. Silver, we've probably had 5 or 6 silver trucks since we've been doing this. 30-foot crane, 7,500-pound crane, van air compressor. It's got the tall IMT body on it. It's 3 sets of C-Tech drawers. Just a really nice truck, set up really nice, and it will not last long. So I'm telling you, if you want this truck, you better get in, don't wait. All right, so all that said, also another thing, you know, at the end of the day, this is a used truck. It's not a new one. It's almost 10 years old. It's got 204,000 miles on it. It's really nice and clean, but it's not a perfect truck. If you want a perfect one, you got to go spend about probably 200 G's to build this truck currently. So you're going to buy this one for significantly less than that. So it is a used truck, but still very nice truck. Anyways, if you're interested, give me a call, text 256-310-6852, and don't wait. This truck's not going to last long. Thank you for watching.